Hello everyone, this is Captain James Van Talk, United States Army Infantry, retired, once a soldier, always a soldier, soldier for life, serving as a wing and peel humanitarian representative for the state of Vietnam Airborne, as a commandant, as well as public affairs for the Royal Lao Airborne. Today I'm located here in Florida. I'm making this public service announcement concerning about having smoke alarms in your home. By not having smoke alarms in your home, this is what happens, as you can see right behind me. Please, I urge you, as the weekend is upon us, please be careful. Purchase yourself a smoke alarm, or you can contact your local police station or fire department. There is at times funds that are available which the police department or fire department can provide a smoke detector for free. Do not let this happen to your home. I'll turn this camera around so people can see for themselves. This home is destroyed because of no smoke detectors. It is currently right now, as you can see from that sign right there, condemned. It will be destroyed. I ask you all, do not let this happen to yourself. Please be careful. Please get a fire alarm that will detect smoke and save your life and your friends and your family. This is Captain Talk, United States Army Infantry, retired, once a soldier, always a soldier for life, serving as a wing and peel humanitarian representative for the state of Vietnam Airborne, as a commandant, and public affairs for the Royal Lao Airborne.